Get up. It's time to get up. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Welcome. I'm Angela, here to get you up in the morning. Today I thought we would talk about being older, 50 plus. So if you're not 50 plus, you can stay because you might get to 50 plus, and I welcome you to stay. But if you are 50 plus, I encourage you to stay because this is important. You know, things are changing big time, and it's important for us to stay focused on the things that are important. Erik Erikson has different stages of development, and if you look those up for our age right now, you can get into two groups: generativity or stagnation. You want to be in generativity. You do not want to be in stagnation. Generativity says that you're out there connecting with others in your community, you're active, you're doing things, you're going places, you're visiting people, you're mentoring young people, you're staying active with your grandkids, helping out with your kids, things like that. Stagnation is you're isolating, you're not connecting with your community, you're stuck, you're not feeling a sense of purpose in your life. We don't want to be there. You know, we have a whole lot of life still ahead of us, and life is worth living. We can always encourage the next generation. We can always have impact on our community, on the people around us. You know, we don't have to, do huge, great things. You know, we can just start right here in our hometown. You know, we can start with our family. We can start with our friends. You know, it's just, we can leave this house and we can start just by leaving out here and saying a kind word to our neighbor. But we have to get up and we have to look outside of ourselves to help someone else in order to help ourselves. So I encourage you to get up, get to living. Life is worth living. I know that things happen. If anybody knows things happen, I know things happen. You know, one of these days I'll tell you my story. It's a long story, and it's full of disappointments. It's full of tragedy. It's full of lots of mistakes. And it's also full of lots of joy, triumphs. So, you know, like I said, we want life to be this straight thing. It goes like this. So, get up. Happy Wednesday. Let's do this thing. Be blessed. Have a great day.